Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to pay check through the RBC online mobile app. So the first thing you need to do is open up your mobile app, the RBC mobile app, and this homepage will come and you will see four options at the bottom here. Select move money, and after you select move money, this page will open up. And there you should see deposit a check option. So just click on that and you will see warning type of thing. So just click on continue. So after that, you'll see the necessary information that you need to put in for depositing the check. That is, you need to click a picture of the front of the check and also the back of the check. So here's the picture of a front of the check and also the back of the check. After you do this, you need to select the amount you need to deposit to your account. So after you select your amount, just click on continue here, and then you need to select which account you're going to deposit into. So after you select your account, this option will come here, then you should click on deposit now. So after you click on deposit now, you have successfully submitted your request to deposit your check. So that's it. That's how you deposit a check through the RBC online app. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and take care.